Hi friends, good evening. So today I'm going to talk only about one stock, and that stock is Reliance Industries. See, this particular company has garnered a lot of interest among the investing fraternity in the last few weeks. And the reason for that is the huge investment which is lined up for this company from some of the international giants, including Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Saudi Aramco. So, just to name a few. So, if you really look at what happened to the stock in the last few months, when the markets crashed in March, the stock was almost half the price as it is today. From there, it's risen to this level in about 3 months, and the reason for that is definitely some of these the investments and the business plans which the company has projected. So we had the annual general body meeting, which happened on 17th of July, and at that particular point in time, there was a little bit of a dip on the price, and the reason for that possibly is that the Saudi Aramco deal was not happening in the pace in which it was supposed to happen, and there was a little bit of possible negative sentiments on that particular day, and again the stock started rising from that point onwards. Tomorrow is another important day for the company. Tomorrow the company is going to announce its Q1 result. The result will actually determine where the stock is going to move from this point, and how much investors are going to stick to the company and further increase their holdings in this particular company. So we let's first look at which are the sectors which is falling under this particular stock, or in other words, which are the companies which is coming under Reliance Industries. So there are basically three sectors. They are in oil and gas, which is petrochemical business, and they are in retail, Reliance Retail, and they are in telecom, which is Geo. So these three sectors are a part of the group called Reliance Industries. So what can be the expectation? So my guess goes that the petrochemical business would not have done that good. So the result can be a little bad in that side. We know the oil price was at its lowest, and also there is definitely when it is locked down and things like that, the retail business can also impact a little bit, compared to the normal days. So Q1 can be bad, I feel, both for the petrochemical business as well as for the retail business. But Geo, as you know, is getting from strength to strength. So Geo can potentially take care of the slip which the company may have in the other two sectors. So overall, I feel the results can be quite encouraging enough. If the market expectation is higher than what it is declared tomorrow, again we can expect a drop in share prices. Today again, as we speak, there was a dip of 4%, 3.9% today in today's stock price, which is basically because of the expectation the market has about tomorrow's results. So the market has already given a hint that the results are not going to be all that great tomorrow, and so tomorrow again there can be a fall. So, what can be the strategy for investors in this particular stock? So, people who are holding, my suggestion to you is this can be again a multi-bagger for you, a multi-bagger of a company of this size, quite not quite heard of. But I feel at this particular point in time, Reliance is going from strength to strength. The business model is going to completely change, with the kind of investments and possibly with the smartest businessman in India sitting at its helm. He's a guy who has proved again that he know how to manage and invest his funds, and how to possibly run the show. So I feel if you're a person who's looking at little long-term results, take this as an opportunity. Tomorrow's price dip and possibly the fluctuations which may happen in the near future, or which may happen during the market, whenever the market falls. So or take it as an opportunity to accumulate this particular stock. I feel that in the next possibly 5 years, the results can be huge by this company. So my tip to all my friends who are following this particular stock, forget the price fall which may happen tomorrow or whenever there is a market cycle. Believe in this company. Fundamentally, this is a strong company, and stick to this stock. It may do wonders for you in the next 5 to 10 years. Let's talk about 5 years. Forget 10 years. Okay. Bye. Take care.